If you've ever wanted to start investing but felt overwhelmed, this video is going to change everything. Because today I'm showing you how to use the Robinhood app, one of the simplest ways to buy stocks, crypto, ETFs, and manage your money right from your phone. And the best part is you don't need any experience to get started. Robinhood is designed to make investing feel easy. When you open the app, the first thing you see is your home screen. This is where your total portfolio value appears and where you can track how your money is moving throughout the day. The interface is clean, simple, and perfect for beginners. At the bottom, you'll find the search icon. Tap it and you can explore thousands of stocks, cryptocurrencies, and funds. Let's say you want to check out a company you like. You type the name, open the page, and Robinhood instantly shows you its price chart, key stats, analyst ratings, and recent news. Everything you need to make an informed decision is in one place. Buying a stock is just as simple. You hit buy, choose the amount you want to invest, confirm the order, and that's it. No complicated forms or confusing steps. You can also buy fractional shares, which means you don't need hundreds of dollars to invest in big companies. Even $5 can start growing your portfolio. Another great feature is the watch list. You can add any stock or crypto you want to track, and the app will show you real-time updates. This helps you stay on top of opportunities without constantly searching for them. Robinhood also offers recurring investments. If you want to build a long-term strategy, you can set the app to automatically invest a certain amount every week or month. It's one of the easiest ways to grow your money consistently over time. Before you start trading, make sure to check the Education tab. Robinhood includes short lessons that explain investing basics in a simple way. It's perfect if you're just getting started and want to understand the market. And finally, the notifications feature keeps you updated on price movements, earnings alerts, and major news so you never miss anything important. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, Robinhood gives you the tools to start today. Simple, clean, and perfect for beginners. Open the app, explore, invest what you can, and watch your confidence grow with every trade.